my dear sweet lovelies. I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Amy and I'm a cruelty-free makeup enthusiast. In today's video, we are going to be doing something that I have been literally I've been just wanting to open so badly, and I've waited for this very moment just to be able to share with you. This is the Colourpop Mystery Box. I got the big one, as you can see. Now this one I actually got on a slight discount. I got a couple dollars off using Trendmood's code, so I ended up paying $85 about for the whole thing. So let's open on up. Let's see what we get in here. I have no idea what's in here. I've been really good at not looking, so I am so excited to share this with you. All right, so let's see what we're gonna do. We have a beautiful yellow here, suppressed powder shadow. And this one is called Sweet Spot. This is a beautiful yellow. I actually have a beautiful bright yellow from Sugar Pill, and it's called Butter Cupcakes. So this one I'm going to put in my giveaway. I have a giant giveaway coming, guys, like in the next week or so, so keep an eye out for that. Some of these items will probably be in that giveaway. So I also have this pressed powder shadow, a beautiful blue. This one is called Fine China. This is a matte. I have a lot of blues in my collection, and I think I have something very similar. This looks like a really deep navy, so I think I'm going to put this in the giveaway as well. Alrighty, let's see. A cream shadow. Okay, let's see what we have here. This is in Agave Bloom. Ooh, okay. So I think this is from that collection based on the pattern, that kind of controversial one. I already have a cream shadow. Let's see. I actually have my drawer right here. Let me show you. This one was from the Wild Nothing collection, and this one was Laurel. I actually use this every now and then as a base. Am I really gonna use this? It's kind of deeper too. I think I'm gonna put this in the giveaway as well. All right, let's see. Ooh, we have one of these jelly shadows, the Jelly Much shadows. I loved it because it had the succulents on it, and I'm a sucker for succulents. I had them in my wedding bouquet. This one is called She Grown. That's so funny. I find that these jelly products don't last very long. Like, they dry up very quickly, but let's see what this color looks like. Oh, it's like a red, like a coppery. Oh, look at that. Let's just see. I'm gonna swatch. Hold on. That is super pretty. Ooh. I like that. I'm gonna keep it. Next, we have a Luxe Lip Oil. I love their lip oils, by the way. I have a bunch from their garden collection. And then from the Wild Nothing. This one's called First Date. Oh, you know, this has a seal on it, so let me open it up at the bottom. This looks like it's from the holiday collection. Remember that Boudoir Noir? I didn't get anything from that. Yeah, it's pretty sheer. But that can be layered over something like a liquid lipstick, so I can never have too many lip oils. I find that I really like glosses and oils lately. Let's see what's down here. We have a cream gel color. Ooh, that's exciting. Let's see what shade. Spring Day. I wonder what that one looks like. I feel like it's going to be bright. I do like a good cream gel liner, because you could use it for anything. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, I love that. Let's see. It's like a nice baby blue. I could definitely find use for this. I can't see myself using it like right now at this time of year, but probably in the spring. I hope it doesn't dry up. Maybe I'll have to use it. I'll have to create some fairy looks for Halloween with it. What do we have next? This is Super Shock Cheek Highlighter. This is in Seismic. I have a couple Super Shock highlighters already. And I do have one of the taupey ones that kind of looks similar to this. Oh no, I just ripped it. It's okay, let's see. I wonder, is this from the same collection? It looks like it's from the same collection. That's really pretty though. I have this one and I kind of feel like they're similar. And I already ripped the box, so I think this is me keeping it. So let's just see what kind of color this is. Oh, I love the way that these feel. These are so smooth. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. All right, I'm sold. I'm actually pretty impressed so far, guys. I'm hoping that there's, you know, I can kind of see some things peeking out already, so I'm like trying not to ruin it for myself. Alrighty, this is the Act Natural Defining Mascara. Ooh, is this? This is in black. I don't recall ever trying their, maybe I did try their mascara. I can't remember. It's been so long. I don't think I've tried this one. Does anyone know anything about this? Try this one out. I just always get a little worried when it's like Act Natural. I'm like, is it going to be super natural? Like, so natural that you don't know that anything's on my lashes? But we'll see. Let's test that one out. What's this? Okay, this is from Fourth Ray. This is White Peach. Ooh, it's a body milk. It's a body moisture. Softening and hydrating. Okay. I love peach. I love calling people a peach because you are sweet peach. Hopefully you join the sweet peach fam here. I think this is really cool. Lightweight and fast absorbing without the greasy after feel, it says. Okay, so let's open this up. I love how it looks like a little milk carton. That's really cute. Oh, it's adorable. I don't think I've ever seen these before. Let's open it and see if it smells good. Hold on. Oh, it does smell good. I wish I could waft it towards you. All right. Sold again. We shall keep this. We have a Lippy Sticks. My goodness, I haven't used a Lippy Sticks from Colourpop in so long, but I remember only using them. I used to love them. This is in the shade Who Run This, and it is a matte X, so it's a super matte. I'm not gonna swatch it. That's a beautiful color. I have, I think I'm gonna put this in the giveaway. I do like it though. This is an ultra glossy lip. Let's see, this one is called My Forte. Let's see what this one is. I don't mind their lip glosses, actually. Ooh, this is cool. This is like iridescent. Oh, I love that. Oh, I feel like a fairy. That's so pretty. Yeah, we're gonna keep that one. We have a cream gel liner. This one is in the shade, is this just a white one? I think I have the white one of this already, called Boots. Let's see. Ooh. Oh no, this is really pretty. I do have like a pinkish one though, so you know what I'm going to do, despite how adorable this looks, I'm not going to swatch this. I'm going to put this in the giveaway as well. Love a good like inner liner. Let's see, this one is a Lippy Pencil, and this one is in Ashton. Let's see what this looks like. Don't use many pencils. Ooh, it is like, that's like a cool tone brown. That's really pretty. I do have some cool tone brown lip products. And then we have another Lippy Pencil. What is this? This is Cool BFF. That's a very similar color. I got these two like, are you sure they're not the same? Wait a minute. Guys, these look exactly the same. Am I losing it? Cool BFF, Ashton. Well, that's weird, isn't it? Huh, Colourpop dupes themselves. Colourpop, like, there's so many things. Maybe I'll keep one of them then. Maybe we'll give Cool BFF and we'll keep Ashton. Keep one. And then we have another Lippy Sticks. This is in the shade Poison. This one's a matte. It's not matte X like the other one. I think the matte X is even more matte. Whoa, look how dark that is. That is a cool shade. I'm going to put this in the giveaway too. I just have so many lip products. I really do, but that's cool. See, oh my goodness, there's so many of these. Here is another Bff Cream Gel Liner. Let's see what this color is. This is in the shade Make Love? Make Love, okay. LUV. I didn't know if it said Luxe or not. All right. Ooh, this is a liquid liner, not a cream gel liner. This is a yellow one. Ooh. That's cool. I actually like these that they come in different colors. I have a white one, and they're so much fun for when you want to do other looks. And right now in my Shop My Stash, I actually brought out my little Ray of Sunshine palette, and I think that it would actually be really fun to play around with it. So definitely going to keep that one. That's different. Then we have an ultra blotted lip. This is in the shade Vitamin C. That's cute. That's cute. It's like a deep coral. I'm going to put this in the giveaway as well. Again, I have so many lip products. I'm surprised that I'm not seeing like any bullet lipsticks, but I guess bullet lipsticks are kind of in and stuff now, huh? It looks like we got 2 of the Animal Crossing palettes. Interesting. I was kind of hoping for like a bigger palette, like one of their something else, but that's okay. So let's see. This one is La Belle of the Ball. She's the one who owns the fashion store. That's really cute. And then 5 Star Island. So we have I'm assuming a pink and a purple one. 5 Star Island. Let's just see what they look like. I didn't really have any desire to buy any of these. I do really love Animal Crossing. It's one of my favorite games to play. It certainly kept some of my sanity going during, COVID and being home. That's cute. Look at her. Oh, those are pretty shades. Oh, that's a glitter. So you got that like mid-tone pink. There's a pretty yellow gold. And then the glitter. So I definitely don't need that many glitters in my life, so I'm going to put this in the giveaway. I wonder if they had a lot of overstock of these. That's what I'm kind of assuming. I do manage my expectations when it kind of comes to these mystery unboxings. Most of the time, I think they're just trying to get rid of product. So let's see what this one looks like. La Belle of the Ball. How cute. Oh, that is super pretty. That looks like another glittery shade. And this one looks like one of those fun duochrome shades. Really pretty. I like that they're quads, but again, I don't think I need this. I have so many purpley palettes that I just really love and use. So I'd rather have someone really enjoy this, whoever wins the giveaway. Let's see here. This is the Turmeric Face Milk from Fourth Ray. I have actually used this before, so I'm going to give this one away. This is actually quite nice. There's a lot of great benefits to turmeric. As you can see, it's antioxidant rich, all that kind of stuff. It's very good if you have like irritated skin too. Turmeric's just good in general. So I think I'm going to put this in the giveaway. Let someone try it out and enjoy it. And then we have a Soul Body. This looks like from their Coral collection last year, because I recognize this print. This is a shimmering dry oil. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. I do use body oil on occasion. Ooh, this is like... Is it supposed to look like that? Hold on, let me do a little shake up. That's quite pretty. I feel like if you're going out or maybe going to a wedding and you spritz this on your décolleté and your shoulders, that could be pretty. I do use body oils, but not ones with shimmer in them. Like I use them, sometimes just for extra moisture and hydration. I could try and see if I'd use this. Does this have a smell? Oh, it does. Oh, it smells quite nice. Yeah, let's keep it. Let's give it a try. Maybe I'll have an event to go to where I could use a little body shimmer. A little bit of glow. I think we only have 2 things left in here. So this one is the Acai Face Milk. Funny enough, I also have this, and I'm almost done with it. I'm actually trying to use this one up. I'm going to give this away too. Add that to the giveaway. And then, what is this? The box is already opened. This is a pineapple face milk. So this is another face milk. Man, they must have had a lot of stock of these. So let's see. That one's supposed to help refine dull, uneven skin. Balancing witch hazel, willow bark. Refines pores. Oh, that's always nice. Maybe let's give this one a try because I do have, you know, a little bit of unevenness in my skin, and refining is also really nice. So I think I'll keep this one, but I'll give the other two away because I've tried those before. And that is that. So can I say that this is worth $85? You know, if I look at this and I think a couple dollars here, a couple dollars here for all like the lip products and the eyeshadows, it's definitely worth the $85. Like this would have come up to a lot more than that. So I am going to give away, let me show you, I'm going to give away all this stuff here. I'll add that to my giveaway pile. So keep an eye out. I will have a giveaway going on very soon with all these products included. And then this is the stuff I'm going to keep. So I don't think it's actually that bad. I don't think it was a complete loss. It was very fun. I hope you enjoyed this video, my friends. If you bought this mystery box, let me know. Did you get anything you really wanted, or did you think it was a dud? So keep me posted in the comments down below. Please remember again to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this content, and join the Sweet Peach fam, because I would love to have you here. All right, that's it for me, guys. I'm losing the sunlight here, so I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and always remember to stay compassionate and chic. Bye!